Welcome to Movement and Function. I'm Beth Wagner, and today I'm going to show you my 3 favorite exercises to treat shoulder impingement. Shoulder impingement refers to pain in the front of the shoulder that occurs from a pinching. This typically has to do with performing movements with either poor posture or poor mechanics. It might also be due to overuse of shoulder muscles or repetitive motion. Regardless of the cause of the pinching, we need to restore normal mechanics and restore muscle balance in the entire shoulder girdle in order to recover the ability to reach and move without that pinching. First, I'll demonstrate a quick posture correction because performing the rest of these exercises with poor posture not only will continue to exacerbate the issue, but it will reinforce the poor mechanics and muscle imbalance already occurring in the shoulder girdle. So first, think of a string coming from the top of your head, going all the way down into the floor. Pull that string up to elongate your spine, to get as tall as you possibly can. Next, lift the chest, relax your shoulder blades, and do a little bit of a chin tuck. All right, great. That'll help get you out of forward head posture and collapsed flexed posture. So again, lift the chest, roll the shoulder blades down and back, and a little bit of a chin tuck. Exercise number 1 is a scapular squeeze. This is squeezing your shoulder blades together and down. You should feel muscle activation in the middle of your spine, right between the shoulder blades. You might also feel a stretch or an opening sensation through the front of your shoulders and chest. Squeeze the blades back, pause, and then relax. And repeat 15 times. Squeeze, pause, and relax. Moving on to exercise number 2, we'll do bilateral shoulder external rotation. Bring your palms up, your elbows comfortably by your side, and now bring your hands out to the side as far as you can reach, squeezing your shoulder blades at the same time. Pause here, and return to the center. Bring your hands out, pause, come back to the center. Continue 15 repetitions. If you start to feel some pain in the area where you're sore in the top or the front of your shoulder, don't push through the pain. Just go to the edge of where the pain starts and then come back to the center. As you perform this exercise more and more, you'll likely find that the pain will subside and you will be able to reach farther into the available range of motion. Listen to where your body needs to stop for right now and continue the repetitions. The final exercise for today is a shoulder extension mobilization. Standing next to a countertop, you'll step 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, and lean into a lunge. Hold for about 5 seconds, and then come back to the starting position. You could also try this on the corner of a wall or a door jamb or something like that, where you just place your hand right there on the edge of the corner and step forward. Hold for 5 seconds and then come back to the starting position. As with the other 2, good posture is really important with this. If you're hunched over, forward head, and you go into this position, you may actually further irritate the front of the shoulder and cause greater pinching. So it's very important that your shoulder blade be rounded down and back and the front of your arm as open as possible before you do the shoulder extension. Shoot for 15 repetitions of each of these exercises and try them 3 to 4 times a day, spread out from morning to evening. You'll likely feel the best benefit from these exercises by doing them consistently throughout the day, every single day. If at any point in time it feels like you're pushing too far or these exercises are making your pain worse, take a day or 2 off and then come back to it when you feel like you're ready to start again. Also, while your shoulder is healing, try to avoid repetitive overhead lifting, like painting or rearranging overhead cabinets. So take a break from those kinds of projects until this pain fully subsides. If you're feeling warmth or swelling in the shoulder, 10-minute application of a cold pack could be very helpful for decreasing inflammation in order to allow you to move your shoulder again. Try the cold pack 3 to 4 times a day for 10 minutes until the warmth and swelling subsides. Then gradually return to your usual movements and activities. I hope these exercises help relieve your pain and help you get back to doing the things you love to do every single day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Here's to your healing, health, and happiness. Have a fantastic day.